How to create group chat on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to create group chat on TikTok. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch TikTok app on your device. Make sure to log in and sign into your account. Now tap on inbox icon at bottom right corner of the screen. From this section, you can simply tap on the two-person like icon at top left corner of the screen. From here, you can easily choose any member whom you want to add as a group chat members from this new group section. Once you have selected, you can simply add a more user again, and after that you can simply tap on start group chat at bottom of the screen. Once you have done that, you can easily change the name, add more members or share the group with other people as well. You can now interact easily with these members on TikTok. So that is how we create a group chat on TikTok. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.